Good morning, student class 5. How are you? I hope student you all are fine. So student, watch the videos, and at the time of watching the video, take your rough copy and pen with you. Something I am writing on the board and telling you, note down these things, note down in your rough copy, and when you are watching the video you are unable to understand anything, then note down that thing so that you can ask with me in the online classes doubt session. Okay student, see student, let's do the little recapitulation of the previous video. In my previous video student, we are discussing our country India, and let's do little recapitulation and then we will discuss the new topic. So student, in very short, I tell you that India is the 7th largest country of the world. Okay, this question can also be asked in one word question. So what is the place of India in the world? So India is the 7th largest country in the world. And how many continents are there? There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North and South America, then Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the 7 continents, and we are living on which continent? That is Asia. What are continent? These are the huge land masses on the earth. ठीक है, ये बड़े बड़े जमीन के टुकड़े हैं जहां पे डिफरेंट कंट्रीज हैं. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि अर्थ का 72% पोर्शन क्या है? वाटर है. दैट इज द रीजन आवर अर्थ इज आल्सो नोन एज ए ब्लू प्लेनेट. आवर अर्थ इज आल्सो नोन एज ए ब्लू planet. So these are the 7 continents where we have land. See, and after that we discussed that in Asia continent how many countries are there? 48 countries are there in Asia continent. Then we discuss the how much there are 4 directions: north, south, west, east. So from north to south and west to east, how much our country stretches? कितना फैला हुआ है? Is it clear? So from north to south, it means we are talking from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. That is 3,200 kilometer. That is 3,200 kilometer. And from west to east means Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh. That is 3,000 kilometer. That is 3,000 kilometer. And after that we have discussed that we have a coastline of over 6,500 kilometer. So what is a coastline? It means the where the sea water touch the land, जहां समुद्र का पानी लैंड को टच करता है. That is the coastline. Is it clear? And we have 5 neighbor. Then we discuss the name of our 5 neighbors, and the name of our 7 neighbors, and there are 2 more, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives, and that they have a water boundaries, and other having a land boundary, and that is 15,200 kilometer. Is it clear student? And after that we are discussing the states and their capitals. After that we are discussing student states and their capitals. Okay, so we have already discussed I think up to Tamil Nadu. So we have already discussed 22 states and their capital of India. Now let's start with the 23rd state of India. See, India is a very big country and lot of population. So that is the reason, so that it can be ruled in a good manner. The states are, it is divided into 28 states. And student, in each state there is a chief minister. That do written in each state there is a chief minister, and this chief minister is elected by the peoples. जो उस स्टेट में रहने वाले लोग हैं वो इलेक्शन में वोट करते हैं, एंड ही इज इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द पीपल हु दिस चीफ मिनिस्टर. Is it clear? Because our country is such a big country, so that is the reason for smooth functioning of the rules and regulation. It is divided into 28 states. It is divided into 28 states, and law and order, and who rule these state? Chief minister. Who rule these states? By their chief minister. Is it clear to all of you? So, and how this chief minister is elected? इसका election कैसे होता है? How? By the people of that state. By the people of that state. Is it clear? Now student, let's start with the, we have discussed 22 states and their capital. Now let's start with Tamil Nadu, 23rd, and if you want to note down you can write in your rough copy also. 23rd is Tamil Nadu. And what was the capital? Chennai. Is it clear? Capital is Tamil Nadu is the state, and its capital is Chennai, and it is famous for classical Indian dance. This state is famous for classical Indian dance. Is it clear? Now note down. Now see student, 24 Telangana, and the capital is Hyderabad. Or you know student, Hyderabad, this capital is shared by two states. Is it clear? This capital is shared by two states. Hyderabad is also a capital of Andhra Pradesh, and Hyderabad is also a capital of Telangana. In the same manner, Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab also, and Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana also. Is it clear? Now 25th, Tripura, and its capital is Agartala. and it is famous for orange gardens, bamboo plantation. This state is famous for that, and even pineapple gardens. Okay, Tripura, and its capital is Agartala, and this state is famous for orange gardens, pineapple gardens, and even bamboo plantation. Clear? Now next, 26, Uttarakhand. And what was the capital? Dehradun. Okay, Uttarakhand, and its capital is Dehradun. So this state is also known as land of gods. This state is also known as land of God. See, firstly, Uttarakhand is in UP, but now Uttarakhand is separated from UP. Firstly, it is in UP. Now Uttarakhand is a different state, and its capital is Dehradun. And its capital is Dehradun. Note down. Then the 27th one, Uttar Pradesh. And its capital is Lucknow. So, what is the famous thing of UP? That is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is in UP because so Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, and Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh. What was the name of the city? Agra. What was the name of the city? Agra. Then 28 is West Bengal. And its capital is Kolkata. Is it clear? So, what is the capital of West Bengal? The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. So, student, I have discussed all the states and capitals of these states with you. Please note down this in your classwork copy, because from these capital and states many question comes in the examination. Directly in one word also teacher can ask the capital or name of the state, what are the capital of these state, or this question can be also asked in the form of the match the column. Name of the state is given, this question can also be asked in match the column. Match the column. States with their capital. So this is very important. Learn all the states and their capitals. And one question I tell you, in match the column also ask from this. One word question can also be asked from this. And even student, in a political map of India, the question can come from this part also. Show the following state on the political map of the India. So that is the reason I have written all the states on the board. That is the reason. If I want, अगर मुझे लगता तो मैं आपसे ओरली डायरेक्टली स्टेट्स के नाम और कैपिटल ओरली आपसे बोल देता, but I have written all the names of the state and capital of and their capitals on the board. What is the reason? Reason is that many one word question or match the column question and maybe question related to the map is asked from this topic. That is the reason I have given all the things in a written form on the board. Now student, let's discuss union territories of India. Take out, all of you open page number 74. Open page number 74. So it is written India is divided into 29 state and 7 union territories. So take your pencil, in the place of 29 state, it is written. So cut 29. What is the right? 28 state. And after that it is written 7 union territories. So cut this 7 and it becomes 8 union territories. Is it clear? First of all, do these changes in your book. This is old book. That is the reason what data is given in this book is of that time. ऐसा नहीं कि इसमें गलत दिया है बेटा, लेकिन ये ओल्ड बुक है, इसमें जो डाटा है वो उस प्रेजेंट टाइम का था. लेकिन अगर नाउ इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द करंट टाइम, देन नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स आर 28 and number of union territories are 8. Is it clear? Now student, we will discuss. Note down this thing. Have you written? Okay. Now I will rub the board. Now see, take a rough copy, because if you note down the things in the rough copy na, then with the help of a book when you revise it, all the concepts are clear. ऐसे आप भूल जाओगे बेटा, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये स्टेट्स और यूनियन टेरिटरी में कुछ चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं. व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ यूनियन टेरिटरी, व्हाट आर द स्टेट्स, you must note down in your rough copy, so that at the time of revising the topic the things are very clear to you. Is it clear? Now note down. Now first of all, let's discuss what are union territories. A union territory is a type of administrative division governed directly by the central government of India. ठीक है, see there, you know what is the capital of India? Delhi is the capital of India. So where is the central government? Central government is in Delhi. ठीक है, central government जो है बेटा, for example, see all the union territories. I just when I am discussing you state and capitals, तब हमने आपको वहां पे बताया था all the states and capital, वहां जितने भी administratives, जितने भी, उसको कौन गवर्न करता है? ठीक है, that is by the chief minister. That is by the chief minister of that state. उस states का जो chief minister होता है वो फॉलो करता है. ठीक है, ही एंड बट ये जो आपकी यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं इस पे पूरा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव गवर्न कौन करता है इससे? दैट इज फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सेंट्रल में जो गवर्नमेंट रहेगी उससे होता है. ठीक है, एंड द हेड ऑफ दिस यूनियन टेरिटरी इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। हेड कौन होता है इसका? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। नोट डाउन, इफ यू वांट टू नोट डाउन इंडिया रफ कॉपी। हु वाज द हेड? हेड वाज द प्रेसिडेंट, और वो अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को इन यूनियन टेरिटरीज में भेजता है। ठीक है, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर, जिसे आप ये भी कह सकते हो उपराज्यपाल। ओके, एंड व्हाट आर दे आर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं किसके? राष्ट्रपति के, प्रेसिडेंट के। ओके, हेड कौन है? प्रेसिडेंट है, एंड ही सेंड हिज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, जिसे हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? उपराज्यपाल। एंड दे लुक दैट यूनियन टेरिटरीज। आया समझ में? नोट डाउन। Now see, one by one we will discuss the union territories of India. First one, Delhi. Okay, Delhi is a union territory of India, and when it was created, Delhi union territory में कब इसे रखा गया? It was created in 1956. Is it clear? Your Delhi is a union territory, लेकिन there are 8 union territories. I will tell you in my video. Out of these 8 territories, there are 2 union territories where they have the chief minister. Is it clear? Union territories में just now I told you the head is the president and he send his representative, जिसको मैंने आपको बताया हिंदी में बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? गवर्नर, उपराज्यपाल। ठीक है, जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं। लेकिन दिल्ली एंड देयर इज वन मोर यूनियन टेरिटरी विच हैव देयर ओन चीफ मिनिस्टर, बिकॉज ऑल द स्टेट्स, जितनी भी स्टेट्स और कैपिटल डिस्कस की, सब में क्या है? चीफ मिनिस्टर है, एंड दे आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ दैट स्टेट। दे आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ दैट स्टेट। सो दिल्ली is a union territory, and when it is created in 1956, but even this is a union territory, but it has its own chief minister. And even you know who is the chief minister of Delhi? Arvind Kejriwal. Who is the chief minister of Delhi? Arvind Kejriwal. Is it clear? So Delhi is the union territory which has its own चीफ मिनिस्टर। ठीक है, दिल्ली में सब कुछ है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी है, चीफ मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट हाउस भी है। ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर इन दिल्ली। इवन दिल्ली इज ए यूनियन टेरिटरी। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ and what are the famous monuments in Delhi? That is Qutub Minar and Lal Killa. If you visit Delhi, you have, I think you have seen this, Qutub Minar and Lal Killa. This is a famous monument in Delhi. Second is Andaman Nicobar. And what was its capital? Port Blair. Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman Nicobar, and when it was created in 1956. So Andaman Nicobar ये क्या है? Islands हैं. These are surrounded from all the sides. These are surrounded with the water. ठीक है, that is the reason they are not in touch with the other states. Is it clear? ये बेटा आइलैंड हैं which are surrounded by the water bodies from all the side and they don't have a land boundaries with other state. ठीक है, अदर स्टेट से इनकी लैंड बाउंड्री नहीं है, इनके चारों तरफ क्या है, वाटर है, और इनके एरिया जो है दैट इज आल्सो लेस एंड पॉपुलेशन इज आल्सो लेस. दैट इज द रीजन इसे यूनियन टेरिटरी में कर दिया गया. इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन. देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल land, it is the island and it is surrounded by all the side, it is surrounded by water, so it is not in the touch with the other state. तो फिर क्या किया कि इसे यूनियन टेरिटरीज में बांट दिया. इसका एरिया भी लेस है एंड इट्स पॉपुलेशन इज आल्सो लेस. एंड व्हाट वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ अंडमान निकोबार? पोर्ट ब्लेयर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ अंडमान निकोबार. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नेक्स्ट, एंड अंडमान निकोबार इज वेरी फेमस फॉर स्क्यूबा डाइविंग. स्क्यूबा डाइविंग अगर आप लोग देखते होगे डिस्कवरी चैनल, ये सब वाटर के नीचे जाते हैं पूरा, ठीक है. इट इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर स्क्यूबा डाइविंग अंडमान निकोबार, सो इट इज़ फेमस फॉर दैट. थर्ड इज लक्षद्वीप. its capital is Krapti, and when it is was created in 1956. Okay, now see, like Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep is also surrounded by water from all the sides and it is not in touch with other states. That is the reason this island is also put into a union territories. इसलिए देखो ये भी एक आइलैंड है जो कि चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरा हुआ है, ठीक है. अदर स्टेट से इसकी कोई वो लैंड बाउंड्री तो है नहीं. तो और यहाँ का जो एरिया है दैट इज एरिया वाइज इज आल्सो इट इज वेरी लेस. एरिया वाइज इज इट इज वेरी लेस एंड इवन बाई पॉपुलेशन वाइज आल्सो इट इज वेरी लेस. सो सेम लाइक अंडमान निकोबार, Lakshadweep Island is also in the Union Territory. Is it clear? Okay. Note down the next one. Puducherry, and its capital is Pondicherry. And when it was created in 1962. Okay. So student, Puducherry and its capital is Pondicherry, and in 1962 it was created. कब इसे यूनियन टेरिटरी बनाया गया था? इन द ईयर 1962. ओके, व्हाट वाज द रीजन फॉर दैट? देखो Pondicherry is also a union territory, but even they get a status of a full state, because in the beginning I told you there are two out of 8 union territories, there are 2 union territories which having their own chief minister. That is, one is Delhi, which I have already discussed with you, and now this is another one, that is Pondicherry. They also have their own chief minister, which is elected by the people of that area. So student, these out of 8 union territories, these two territories, that is Delhi and Pondicherry. They both have their own chief minister. So today student we have discussed four union territories. So in my next video I will tell next union territories. Okay, thank you.